Welcoming a baby into the world is a momentous occasion. It's natural to feel a mix of excitement and anxiety. Preparing for labor and delivery can help ease those nerves. Understanding what to expect during labor and delivery is crucial. It involves stages: early labor, active labor, and delivery. Each stage has unique signs and duration. Knowledge is power. Physical preparation includes regular exercise like prenatal yoga or walking. Strengthening the body helps with endurance during labor. Additionally, practicing breathing techniques can aid in pain management. Mentally and emotionally, it's important to build a support system. Discuss birth plans with your partner or support person. Consider a childbirth class to learn about the process and pain relief options. Practically, pack a hospital bag early. Include essentials like identification, insurance information, comfortable clothes, and items for the baby. Pre-register at the hospital to streamline admission. By understanding, preparing physically, mentally, and practically, you can approach labor and delivery with confidence. Remember, healthcare professionals are there to guide you every step of the way.